Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dreamcatcher. Today we will discuss about the productive role of forest. Forests are valuable natural resources. It is estimated that the forest product contribute about 1% of the world gross domestic product, that is GDP. Wood is a major food produce and it is extensively used for various purposes, for household purposes, for industrial purposes, for making furniture, etc. Productive role of forest means the productive function, that is what products we get from the forest. First one is food. More than 300 million cultivators worldwide depend on forest for their food production system and maintenance of the productivity of the land. First, in food we get fruit. That is, here I have discussed some example of the trees from which we get the fruit. That is mango tree, scientific name is Mangifera indica, jackfruit, Artocarpus heterophyllus, custard apple, Annona squamosa, tamarids, that is Tamarindus indica, guava, that is Pseudium guajava, bale, that is Agalus marmelis, kathal, that is jackfruit, that is Artocarpus heterophyllus. Next one is amla, Umbellica officinalis, then is sandalwood, that is Morus alba, and last one is Ziziphus species. In seed, smelly seeds are dried, roasted and then used as edible fruit. Tree whose seeds are edibles are babul, Acacia nilotica, jackfruit, kathal, Artocarpus heterophyllus, imli, Tamarindus indica, bacane, Terminalia berylica. And trees whose flowers are edibles are mahua, Maduca indica, Seemal, Bombex siba, Imli, Tamarindus indica, Neem, Aja directa indica. And trees whose leaves or shoots are edibles are Imli, that is Tamarindus indica, drumstick, that is Moringa oleifera, mahua, that is Maduca indica, and neem, that is Aja directa indica. And trees from which we get timber are Arjun, Terminalia arjuna, babul, Acacia nilotica, banyan, Ficus bengalensis, bija sal, Pterocarpus marsupium, devdar, Cedrus devdara, gamhar, Melina arborea, rosewood, Dalbergia latifolia, sal, Soria robusta, sisu, Dalbergia sisu, teak, Tectona grandis, stone or red cedar, that is Tuna ciliata. Industrial wood. Forests provide raw material to a large number of industries, example paper and pulp industries, plywood industries and other board and packaging cases, matches and toys industries, etc. First trees used in paper and pulp industries are bamboo, eucalyptus, casuarina, and in plywood is teak, rosewood, Terminalia species, etc. In packing cases is Pinus species, silver oak and fir. Matchstick industries Ailanthus, Simaruba, Bombex. In toys industries Adena species, red sanders, redwood, etc. And next comes is non-timber forest produce or minor forest produce. A large number of non-wood products are also available in the forest, and these non-timber produce or minor forest produce are those produce which does not include the timber, but it includes the other product that we get from the forest, which are either directly used or manufactured and then used. First one is fiber and flosses. Fiber are obtained from bast tissue of certain woody plants which are used for making ropes. Flosses are obtained from certain fruits and are used for stuffing pillows, mattresses, etc. Flosses are obtained from seemal, that is Bombex sipa, and kapuk, that is Siva petendra. Next one is grasses and bamboos. A large variety of grasses are found in the forest. About 20%, that is 419 million livestock population graze in the forest. Variable grasses are sabai, that is Euliopsis, Binata and bamboo. Third is essential oil. India produces about 1500 tons of essential oils every year, which was utilized in making soap, detergents, and chemical etc. Example is eucalyptus species, Bucera species, Santalum album, etc. produces oils. And other minor products that we get from the forest are oil seeds, many tree species of Maduca indica, Pogamia pinnata, Soria robusta, Ajati recta indica, Scleriera oleosa, Veteria indica, etc. produce oil-bearing seeds which are commercially important. There is a potential of production of about 1 million tons of oils every year from forestry seeds. Next product we get is tan and dyes. A variety of vegetable tanning materials are produced in the forest. Important tannings are extracted from myrobolans nuts, bark of walnuts. It includes many species like Acacia merentsui, Acacia derucurens, Acacia delbeta, and Acacia auriculata. Leaves of Umbellica officinalis, bark of Celianthus collinus, fruit of Ziziphus xylophora, Acacia fistula, Terminalia elata, Terminalia arjuna, etc. Katha and Kach are obtained from Acacia catechu, that is hair. The next product that we get from the forest are gums and resins. Gums and resins are exuded by trees as a result of injuries to the bark. Its examples are Sticula uranus, Acacia nilotica, Pterocarpus marsupium, Butea monosperma, etc. Resins is obtained from Pinus roxburghi. Drugs, spices, and insecticides are the other product. That is, drug we get from Rauwolfia serpentine, Ephedra species, Soteria cirrata, Datura inoxia. Seeds of Caricum carvi, bark of Cinnamonum gelanicum, that is dalchini, dried capsule of Elateria cardamomum. Next is Tejpata, that is Cinnamonum tamla. As insecticides use is parathum and neem. Next product is lac and other products. Lac is a resinous secretion of insects which feed on forest trees. Example is Butea monosperma. Silkworm feed on Morus alba and Terminalia elata, and honeybee is produced from the forest. Next is fodder and grazing. About 20%, that is 419 million livestock population depend upon the forest grazing and leaf fodder supply, etc. Example of the trees providing fodder are Leucaena, Leucocephala, Albizia libac, Hardwickia binnat, Pogamia pinnata, Morus alba. Next is canes or ratans are the stems of climber plants and are used for a large number of household items. It is used to make walking stick, pole stick, basket, picture frames, screens, and mats. Other is tendu and other leaves. Tendu leaves, that is PD leaves, that is Tyropyrus melanogylon, and leaves of Pohonia species, Butea species are used for plate, dona, etc. making. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.